It's late fall and the reminder email pops up in your company inbox. Open enrollment is now live. So you click the link and find yourself staring at a screen full of acronyms like PPO, HSA, FSA, and plan summaries that all start to blur together. And between your work deadlines, your kids, and everyday life, the easiest option would be to click Keep Last Year's Choices. If that sounds familiar, just know that you're not alone in that. But here's an important thing that I want you to understand. Those choices that you make every open enrollment period directly affect your paycheck, your savings, and your long-term financial future. Open enrollment isn't just another workplace task. It's an opportunity for you to make your money work smarter for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you the different ways that you can take advantage of your company benefits during the open enrollment period. So let's get into it. Number one, start where you are. Before you even take a look at your benefits guide and what's being offered, I want you to take a step back and really think about this. What has changed since last year? Maybe you've added a new family member, switched prescriptions, or started thinking more seriously about saving for your retirement and possibly your kids' education. These changes directly impact what kind of coverage and benefits make sense for you. The right choice right now will allow you to take advantage of the benefits offered and set you up for stronger financial security later on in life. Step number two is review what's changed at work. Employers update benefits every year, and sometimes it's more subtle than you may think or notice. Premiums may be higher, there may be new options that have been added or options that have been taken away. Premiums may be higher, new options may have been added, and old options may have been taken away. And things like your 401k benefits, the investment choices, or the company match may have also been changed as well. Even small adjustments can make a big difference in your overall finances and how much you're putting away and what you're actually taking advantage of through your company's benefits. Make sure you review those details within your financial plan, within your overall financial context, to ensure you're not leaving money and benefits on the table, to make sure you're taking advantage of what you have available. Number three is revisit your healthcare coverage. Healthcare is often the biggest and most confusing decision that employees have to make each and every year. If you're generally healthy and have good savings, a high deductible health plan, HDHP, paired with an HSA, health savings account, might be worth exploring. If you have ongoing healthcare needs, a more traditional plan with higher premiums but lower out-of-pocket expenses might be the smarter financial choice. The key is finding the right balance between cost, coverage, and flexibility, and what those mean for you and your family. Step number four is taking advantage of FSAs and HSAs. FSAs and HSAs are tax-advantaged accounts that allow you to set aside pre-tax dollars for medical expenses. FSA's flexible spending accounts are great for predictable expenses that you're going to have every single year, like prescriptions or children's medical costs. And just keep in mind that the FSA, whatever you don't use, you lose, so you need to spend that down every single year. While an HSA, a health savings account, can serve as a savings and investment tool that grows tax-free over time and allows you to use those funds for medical expenses even in retirement. These accounts are not just about healthcare, but really about how they fit into your overall finances, your overall tax and savings strategy. Making intentional decisions here can help free up cash for other financial priorities and can help set you up for long-term success. Number five is don't forget and don't overlook the what ifs. Disability insurance, life insurance are two benefits that a lot of people don't think they need, unfortunately, until they do. But both of these types of insurance are really crucial to protecting yourself and your family and are big pieces of strong financial plans. And it's important to understand that employer coverage is a good start, but oftentimes it's not going to be enough to help your family long term. And lastly, explore the hidden benefits. Many times, employers offer benefits outside of the more traditional ones that we're used to. From commuter benefits and fitness benefits to student loan repayment and financial wellness resources. These benefits are really easy to overlook and sometimes forget about, but they can add meaningful value to your life. So let's bring it all together. Open enrollment may only come around once every year, but the decisions and the impact of those decisions will be felt for years to come. And this is where financial planning meets real life. Each decision that you make during every open enrollment period, from your health plan to your 401k contributions, each of those decisions connects to your overall financial picture. So when you look at your benefits through that lens, it's easier to make decisions that are going to support your short and long-term goals versus just giving you more money every paycheck. And it's important to note that you don't have to figure all of this out on your own. Every year, I help my clients review their open enrollment options, understand how each decision affects their savings, investments, and taxes, and I help them make more confident choices that align with their broader financial goals. If you'd like some help reviewing your benefits this year, let's schedule some time to talk. Together, we can make sure that your open enrollment decisions are working for you.